Hello guys, welcome to PlaybookFX. In this video, I'll be reviewing previous week price action on GBPUSD and gold. I'll be reviewing the trade I took, the losses and the missed trade. If this is the kind of content you would like to see often on this channel, please like this video, leave your comment in the comment section, subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on post notification so as to when I release a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Without saying too much, let's get right into the video. So what happened last week on GBPUSD? We can clearly see that previous week swept this week high, then closed bearish. So I was expecting a continuation sell from this other block here, this black candle. I was expecting this big candle to tap into this other block, then reject to take out this low. That was my expectation last week. On Monday, when the market opened, on Monday, you can see price retraced a little bit on Monday, then broke structure to the downside here. Remember that price was coming from this breaker block. Price broke structure to the downside. I was expecting price to push up to this level, give me a confirmation entry to sell for price to take out this low, and I was unable to get into this sell because I could not get confirmation on lower time frame, so I was not able to get into this minor sell. If I enter from here, I'll be expecting price to take out here. Why? Because price was still bearish. On Wednesday was when this sell happened, and this supply that I was expecting price to respect later failed. So when this supply failed, I had my POI somewhere around there, and I was expecting price to come back to that level, give me some kind of confirmation for me to get in from this flip zone here. So if we go to like 15 minutes, when price came back to mitigate this flip zone here, price pushed aggressively to the upside, and yeah, it's either price respect here or price respect this breaker block here. Those are the two areas I was like looking for price to respect. We had a break of structure here, and I was expecting price to come back to this level for me to take my entry. But before I can confirm that entry, I need an inducement to be printed here. So price did not print inducement. So aside from this flip zone here, there is no clean inducement inside this leg for price to come and sweep and continue pushing to the upside. So I did not take this trade from here. So on Friday, price kept pushing to the upside. Price came back again, mitigate this flip zone here, and price continue pushing to the upside. These are the type of POI you want to be paying attention to. You will not be looking for a supply to sell price from here. If price is still bullish like this, I will advise you to keep looking for continuation buy. If you look at higher time frame, you see now we have double break of structure to the upside. Price broke structure here. We had a break of structure here again. Probably price is targeting higher price, so you will not want to be looking for any supply here to sell up from. You don't want to be doing that. You want price to give you a change of character before you start selling. Price is currently bullish on GBPUSD. Now, going into the new week, what will I be expecting? I think price may be targeting somewhere inside this candle, but I would not be taking a direct sell from here. Instead, I will be waiting for price to give me a selling intent before getting into any trade. Presently, on lower time frame, price is still bullish. And what do I want to see before I can start looking for sell? I want to see, if you look at what went down here, we have a break of structure. We had a break of structure, meaning price is still very much bullish. I want to see demand failing, then supply taking control. If demand start failing and I start seeing something like this, then I want to join the sell. Probably we'll be having a range from this low to this high. I'll be expecting price to sell to the discount of this range, and if price start giving me buy again, I'll join the buy. But presently price is still bullish, so on Monday, if price wants to continue buying, I'll follow the order flow of price. I will not force any sell. So since price is still respecting demand. Now on gold, so many things happened on gold last week. Obviously, we all know that gold has been bullish So gold has been bullish. We had a break of structure here, and let's go to 1 hour. This was Monday, beginning of Monday London session. Price pushed to the upside on Monday, broke structure after sweeping some liquidity here. Price swept these lows, mitigate this candle here, then push to the upside. So that was Monday. Now on Tuesday morning, there was this setup here on Tuesday morning. Let's go to 15 minutes here. There's this breakout block setup on London session. It has inducement as well. It got out below this candle here because this area was an obvious area of liquidity. Targeted 1:4 there. So then price broke structure to the downside here. So after price broke structure, remember this was the last low that swept liquidity and break structures. Initially my range was like this, so immediately price took out the low, I start looking for potential reason to sell. Price swept liquidity here again, then push to the downside, mitigate another block inside this level here, then started selling. Now I started paying attention to sales immediately when price took out this low. Instead of having my range like this, now my range is from this flip zone here to this high. So I was expecting price to come inside the discount of this level. If you look at what price did here, price mitigated here before breaking structure to the downside here. So when price got here to this breaker here, I took a sell somewhere around here. I took a sell here. This was in the midnight. I had my limit set here, so I took a sell from here, and I got out early, got out at this low. I took a sell here as well, took a sell on 5-minute time frame. It was a flip zone sell. So this was what I saw on 5 minutes. You understand that price was bearish, and price failed to take out this low, but this week was an obvious area of liquidity. This week here was an obvious area of liquidity, and looking at it, price mitigates here, and this was even based on confirmation. If you follow mitigation from here, when price was retracing back to the upside, you see that price mitigates here. You had another mitigation here. Another mitigation here. This mitigation here. And this zone was supposed to be the last demand that price was supposed to respect. Now on 1 minute, all this candle here became my liquidity, and my entry was at this candle here, and I took a sell here, targeted 1:5 hour. CPI came, news came, and swept this low here. And after price took out this liquidity, mitigate this level here, where was supposed to be the last area of supply. Following all this mitigation here, this area was supposed to be the last zone of supply. This zone here, price took it out and start pushing to the upside. And let me go back to 15 minutes so that it will be more clearer. This was a change of character to me. It became even more clearer the moment price now took out this high here. This was a pullback at the break of structure here. If price wants to continue selling, price should respect at least this high here, but price violated it. There was an inducement here. I took a loss here. I took a loss somewhere around here. Let me see if I can see it on 5 minutes. I was looking for a sell somewhere around here. I wanted to sell from here. So price took me out as liquidity. So that's the reason why I said always wait for inducement. So I took a loss there. I wanted to sell price to mitigate somewhere below here to take out all this liquidity. But I could have waited for the initial buy since price was bullish. So when price got to this level, after taking out liquidity from here again, we had another change of character here. This was the last area of supply that price was supposed to respect. We had a little bit of reaction, price failed it. So somewhere around here was where I marked as my demand level, and I was expecting price to come back to this level and tag me in, but price never did that. So price kept pushing to the upside. So on Friday, I took a loss on Friday, and I took one break-even trade as well. So on Friday, what did I say? This was a sweep of liquidity. We had a sweep of liquidity here, and price pushed to the upside. So I was expecting price to respect this level, and you can see price react a little bit before filling it. So I was expecting price to respect that level since we are still bullish. So price did not respect that level. Price didn't reacted to the level and it failed. I took a little risk on this one as well, and when price got to this level, I said break even. When price got to this level, I posted it in the Telegram channel as well. I was taking out or break even here, and the reason why I said break even here was because I later realized that price reacted to this level. This point here, this flip zone here, is the point where price will decide is either price wants to continue pushing to the upside or price wants to sell. And because I've taken one loss here, I will not want to lose two trades. I will be okay if price should take me out at break even rather than taking two losses in a row. And as you can see, the idea actually worked out. I was able to save myself one unnecessary loss for that day. So I created a Telegram group for free signals. For those asking me, I'll be posting trades there once in a while. If you like to join, I'll drop the link in the description, so feel free to check it out. So on gold, what will I be expecting for next week? Gold is unpredictable. For me, I will wait for Monday to see what Monday will do. What I can see here is that this low will be targeted. Is because this low has failed to take out this side, so price will target this low. Maybe price will take this low out, mitigate something inside this lower part, and continue pushing to the upside. That's the reason why I don't trade on Monday, because I use Monday to see whatever price wants to do, and so as to position myself for a better opportunity in the market for the coming week. This is where I'll be ending this video. If you like this video and you would like to see more, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so as to when I release a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you, and see you in my next video.